Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, UNEFLONE Armor 17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this smartphone. So, firstly, let's start with opening the Play Store, and here, find the theme in the third place in my tab is Niagara Launcher. So all of the themes are beautiful and great, but you need to choose the theme for your life. So which theme do you like? Do you like? For example, Niagara Launcher is great theme if you are using this phone for work, for example, because here you have 99 apps and features. You have here only favorite applications on the home screen, and if you want to find any other application, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and find desired app. For example, if you want to find the Facebook, just drag your finger to F, and here you will see the Facebook. If you have, of course, I haven't installed Facebook. If you want to find Play Store, for example, I'll show how you can do it very fast. You want to find the Play Store, just tap your finger and drag it to P, and great, Play Store is here. So it's very easy to use. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Unfortunately, to use all features of this launcher, you need to pay for it, but you can use it completely for free without ads. So just try, and if you will like it, you can pay. Click open, get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using allow. Suggested wallpapers, and great. So wait a while, and cool. As you can see here, we have really beautiful, not beautiful, but really beautiful, one of the most beautiful launchers and themes for your smartphone. It's Smart Launcher 6. Here you have handy apps group in the future. For example, all your games will be here, all your internet utilities, surfing apps will be here, and all messengers, Vibers, I don't know, WhatsApps, Facebooks will be here. Here you will see your utilities to manage something, or I don't know, all your calculators, all your photo masses, all your work applications will be here, and here you will have settings of services of applications. And great, so I really like this launcher because it's very beautiful. But on the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher 6. Microsoft Launcher. So find it and click install. Then click open. Get started while using allow, continue, and great. And now I'll show you. So here, sign into Microsoft. If you will sign into the Microsoft, you will be able to use your smartphone and pay with your Windows device if you have. So you can get your messages and calls on your Windows device, and you can provide the conversation using your Windows device if you have just internet connection. So it's very great feature. Of course, is the one of the best features of this launcher, but you can but now I'll show you better features. So why I love this launcher? Firstly, because here we have widgets panel on the left side. So glance panel, you can set up your widgets here. To do it, just click on this button. You can disable news if you don't want, for example, and here just choose your favorite widgets. So you can remove, for example, Microsoft widgets if you don't like Microsoft services. Here choose, for example, battery level, I don't know, choose Google Calendar or other widgets, and in this way you will be able to use all your favorite widgets here. Of course, one of the best features is hiding apps, so you can hide apps from the main menu. So for example, we have always several apps we never need. So for example, sim tool, I don't know, games, radio, easy, I don't know what is it, children app, I don't know. So you can hide it to have only useful application in the main menu, but one of the best features of this launcher is gestures. So you can set up your gestures in the way you want, and in this way, for example, I will open calculator every time when I'll swipe from down to up using 2 fingers. You can set up, for example, double tap or swipe from up to down using 2 fingers, or swipe by hand, by palm, and in this way you will be able to use the in this way you will be just able to use the gestures on your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.